My name is Annika Camarillo, and I am a volunteer here for Windaid. My experience so far has been amazing. Just being able to work at the workshop, work on a turbine, is just an incredible opportunity, and interact with people from all over the world. Get to travel around Peru and visit many different diverse communities. It's been incredible and life-changing. I'm learning various different things. Here at the workshop, I'm learning different technical skills such as welding, how to use different machines, and just basic language in a shop environment. I'm also learning a lot. My Spanish has been improving a lot, and just learning about Peruvian culture and tradition. Experience so far in Peru has been super fun. It's been so exciting. Just getting to try different types of food, go out at night, experience different types of music and culture, and interacting with locals. Going to the markets is super fun, and super fun to try all the different types of fruit. We're so excited for you to come and join us here at Windaid. You're going to be making such a huge impact in the local communities here in Peru, and you're going to take away with you so much knowledge that hopefully you can bring back home. So we'll see you.